How to sign up for a Payoneer affiliate account. Signing up for a Payoneer affiliate account lets you earn commissions by referring new customers, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get that done in this video. First things first, we're just going to go ahead and search Payoneer affiliate program, and then we will be able to see these partners or these links here. Now, first things first, you have here first one. I want you to go ahead and click that one. Now, once you have clicked the link, you will be redirected to this particular site here. Now, we're just going to go ahead and scroll down and click Start Earning Today. Alright, and then we're just going to have to fill in all the necessary details in here. So I'm going to go ahead and call this one Vladimir. Alright, Vladimir Company, just like so. You can go ahead and put your company name right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put here Vladimir, and then Shakiv, and then the email address, of course, and basically all the other information needed in here. Alright, there you go. So I've filled in all the necessary information right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click the submit button down below. Alright, it says here that a member of our team will get back to you soon. Alright, there you go. That's how easy it is. We have already done registering. Now we're just going to go ahead and wait for that email coming from Payoneer, and then we can go ahead and start promoting and hopefully get paid after successfully referring some people into it. So yep, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to sign up for Payoneer affiliate account. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.